Hi, I'm Stephanie Joanne, personal trainer and fitness expert. Today we're on set with Best Health Magazine. We are going to show you a high-intensity workout using interval training. Don't worry, it's customizable so you can adjust according to your fitness levels. Let's get started. Begin in your regular running on-the-spot motion and gain momentum by bringing your knees higher. Start by standing with your feet together and arms by your side. Jump your legs apart while raising your arms towards the ceiling. Return to starting position and repeat this jumping motion. Begin with feet shoulder-width apart and place your hands on your hips. Lower yourself into a squat position with a flat back. Once you reach a 90-degree angle, explode up by lifting your feet off the floor. Be sure to land softly by immediately lowering yourself back into a squat position as you continuously perform this exercise. Start in a standing position with your arms parallel to the floor in a T position. Begin to make small circles with your arms. Avoid swinging your body. Begin in a low plank position, maintaining a flat back, and be sure not to allow your hips to sink towards the floor. Keeping your upper body stable, jump your feet apart and back together. Starting from a high plank position, begin to lift your hips towards the ceiling until you are in an upside down V position. Push into your hands and begin to bring your heels closer to the ground as you maintain this static stretch for 30 seconds. Lower yourself into a squat with your knees tracing wider than your body. When you reach a 90-degree bend with your knees, pulse for 1 count, returning to starting position. Shake your legs out by marching on the spot for a 30-second recovery interval. Begin in a standing position with your hands by your side. Squat to lower yourself to the floor until your hands reach the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back behind you with your arms holding you in a high plank position. Jump yourself back into a low squat and return to starting position. While standing with arms in a Y position, bring your right elbow to meet your left knee by twisting your torso. Alternate sides. Sprint or jog as fast as you can to bring your heart rate right back up for one last minute. Do this for 30 seconds, bringing your arms into the movement for added power. Rest your heart rate with a light skip using your imaginary skipping rope.